Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to plant the fig cuttings, and I have few trees and I want to just get more cuttings and replant more trees. So basically this is a good time, and with the figs it's really easy to plant them. I'm just going to get one cutting from here, and that's one that we're going to be using. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I'm back now, and here our branch, and we're gonna get rid of all the leaves and small branches. Here, just gonna get rid of it. Okay, here. From this branch we can do two cuttings. The reason why I would tell you to make more than one cutting, just because the thing is, sometimes they don't grow and sometimes the plants get damaged and they don't root. So do more than you need, and then if you get success with all of them, then you can give one as a present or something. And before you start using your scissors, you should disinfect them. That helps to prevent the disease catch some kind of infection and start to rot. So on 45 degrees we cut, and here we have two beautiful cuttings. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hold it like this. That's the way they were growing, and we have to make sure that they grow this way. And now I'm just gonna make I have potting soil, and in the potting soil just gonna make a hole so it can go in there without touching anything. And now for the rooting hormone, I use honey. I don't like to use any store-bought rooting hormones, just because it's a chemical and I really don't want to have chemical in my garden. Now using just a regular honey works perfect. I'm just gonna put honey in the places where it's gonna go inside the potting soil, and so the soil doesn't touch the plant itself. So now we're just gonna gently stick it in until it goes in right there. And there's another one, and that we're gonna put that in, and we're gonna put it in the soil. And if you have 2 or 3 different varieties, then you would want to mark it and for yourself, because just thinking that you're gonna remember which one was where, that doesn't work. Just and that's gonna take about a month or 2 months. It really depends, because now it's a springtime, and in the spring it takes much faster to get roots on the plant. So it will take about a month, I think, to get roots on those figs. And then you would put the tag which fig that is. Now I'm gonna water it. I'm just gonna water. Okay, that's about it. Okay, now, and it will go into the greenhouse. I would keep it in the greenhouse until it gives roots. After it gives roots, like in a month and a half, 2 months, depends. So after it gives roots, then I would replant it in a pot and take it out. But keep it in a shady place, because it's still, although it has roots, it still needs a lot of time to adjust to ground. So you would keep it until it grows about like a meter or something like that. By the way, if you don't have a greenhouse, just put a bag over it and keep it like that in a shady place when it's warm and there's no wind, and that should do it. So now I want to show you one that I planted in December, and since it was a winter, it took much longer time, because now it's a spring, but it has beautiful healthy branches, so I'm sure it's doing well. So Okay. Okay, they are beautiful roots, and now it's ready to be replanted. So now I'm gonna replant it to bigger pots so it becomes a beautiful healthy tree. You don't want to replant it right in the ground because it's still not big enough and it's not strong enough. Put it in a bigger pot and give it a little bit more time. So I want to show you another two trees. Here I have another two that those were planted like about 6-7 months ago, and now that's how they look. If you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe, and I have more videos where I show how to propagate other trees and bushes, and we also have videos where we show how to plant goji berries from the seeds and passion fruits. Please follow us. Thank you for watching. Happy planting.